Now let's import a nut for this bolt. So I'm going to click on assemble and nut, and let's fix it over here, coincident, and I need this face to be coincident with this one. Now just see, when I make it coincident, it is there but it is on the wrong side. So I'm just going to click on flip and I have it right there. Now I need it to be moving in this direction, so I'm just going to click on allow assumptions and fine. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Inside with the inside, this face with this one, coincident, this face oriented with this one, and again the other nut, and this face with this one, and this one has to flip. In the same way, I'm going to keep importing on my parts to build up my assembly. Let's import now the piston head directly, and let's make this thing parallel with this one and flip it. And the distance from this thing, make it a distance which is 4.5 or 8 from that direction. So I know the distance because I made this part. So when you make these parts, you would know exactly what distance are you going to keep this thing on. And let's keep on importing. Now I'm going to import piston pin, which is going to go inside over there. And to make it fully constrained, I'm going to give it a distance from this thing towards here. And when you're done with your assembly, a single assembly, now what can I do is I can import a crankshaft over here and then start making these, or what can I do is I can just save this assembly by pressing Ctrl S. And now I'm going to click on new and make a new assembly which would be made out of these assemblies. So let's click on assemble, and this time let's import our crankshaft. So I imported that, and I'm going to click on fix because that's my first part. Now I can import my assemblies inside over here. Okay, here it is, and make them constrained to these surfaces, as you can see. And to make this one with that, I'm just going to make it parallel with this thing. And then I can import all my pistons inside over here, and I can have a whole assembly which I can then render to this side with this one and to make them in the same direction. Nope. Press Control Z, new constraint, and make it now parallel with this one to have them in the same direction. That's pretty much it about the assemblies. If you have, we are going to have another session about assemblies in which we are going to discuss the exploded views, the sectioning, and how you can render the assemblies or make assembly drawings. And we are going to talk about the drawings in the coming sessions. If you have any questions, you can come into our sessions, weekly sessions, which are always there. You can book them and you can come, and some of us would be there to help you out. Thank you very much.